The Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal, located in India, is also among the seven wonders of the world. Such is the monument that it surely has many geometrical shapes. Some of the geometrical shapes used in the Taj Mahal are triangle, semicircle, cubical, and rectangle, etc. Today, Taj Mahal is known for math perfection. However, the geometry used for making the Taj is used often and frequently in all geometrical classes. The Taj Mahal was constructed using mathematics, and Taj Mahal represents the finest and most sophisticated example of Mughal architecture. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan commissioned the tomb upon death of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. Architectural complex of Taj Mahal Mausoleum amazed every visitor for more than 3,500 years. In the time of 50s, in the time of Leonardo da Vinci, knew it as the divine proportion. In India, it was used in construction of Taj Mahal, which was completed in 1648 AD. 28 type of jewels are set in marble, and the construction take around 22 years and cost approximately 32 billion rupees. The Taj Mahal is extended over 22.44 hectare, it means 55.4 acre, and include tombs, waterworks and infrastructure of the small town of Tajganj 9 to the south and Moonlight Garden to the north of the river. The construction began in 1632 AD on the south bank of the river Yamuna in Agra and completed by 6048 AD. The main central mausoleum stands at 73 meter tall. It also has four pillars around it. Each of these minars stands 40 meter tall. The mausoleum resembles with four minars which stand on a quadrant surface approx 120 into 120 meter. The two buildings aside the resemble standing symmetrical to each other. The mosque and Zamat Khana, the meeting place, and the garden approx 320 into 320 meter long and huge scale of a whole complex with beautiful garden. Garden are made in the form of square and water channels are in rectangular. It dome bring cylindrical perfection to the site and the circle symbolize perfection and unity. Chhatris. The most prominent are the main four chhatri, which are four corners of onion dome, having octagonal base with small arch on each of the eight sides. Top is nicely furnished and inverted lotus with gold final rising from its symmetry. The chhatri are also presented at the top of all four tall minar. The Taj Mahal was constructed using mathematics beyond its time, as mentioned before, particularly geometry. The math used in Taj is quite complicated, however, the geometry used for making Taj was easily viewed. Geometry, algebra, and trigonometry all play a crucial role in architectural design. Architects apply this math form to plan their blueprint or initial sketch design. Its blueprint is very beautifully converted into reality. We can saw this by considering its mathematical model. First, the line symmetry with the two lines, one vertical down the middle of Taj and one along the water line, showing the reflection of prayer tower in the water. Reflection symmetry, it is also bounded in the decoration made from precious and semi-precious stone inlaid on white translucent marble. Reflection symmetry characterizes the pattern of paving stone surrounding the Taj Mahal. Even draining holes in some of the stone have a striking hexagonal pattern. The symmetry of building is also important. The equal distance of windows and door from one another, formation of minar, the proportion of dome to archway. When they calculated the area and the volume for building, then we have only needed to measure the half of actual building due to the building mirror symmetry. The Taj Mahal is the world renowned monument to symmetry both inside and outside. Reflection on the water is mirror image or mirror symmetry. The designing of the Taj Mahal, the mausoleum and its associated structure were designed around principle of reflection and repetition. The tomb itself is essentially a cube with a chamber corner to give it octagonal cross section. The four sides are identical, each one featuring a huge vault archway. Four minars frame the tomb, the equal distance of window and door from one another. Proper system of air conditioner room. In hot weather, it maintains the temperature from outside. The tiles are also in shape of octagonal, while some other location the tiling pattern combine regular hexagonal with six-pointed star. Taj Mahal has also symmetrical garden in form of in front of Taj Mahal. Walkway stone are laid in pattern that combine square, elongated hexagonal to create a regular octagonal. The main feature of the Taj Mahal is showing golden ratio and Fibonacci sequence. The main building of Taj Mahal was designed using the golden ratio. This is why it looks so perfect. The triangle that served as basic outline for exterior of building were all in the golden proportion. The Taj Mahal display the golden proportion in the width of the grand central arch to its width, and also in the height of window inside the arch to the height of main section below the tomb. The main entrance door frame rectangle is accurately golden rectangle. The geometry of arch inside it is as well built after golden regularity. What is golden ratio? The golden ratio is a special number that is approximately equal to 1.618. The golden spiral shows up in mussel shell, ram horn, peacock beak, elephant trunk, the spider web, meteoroid crater, the shape of breaking web, even the spiral galaxy of universe. And the Fibonacci sequence is a sequence that each number is the sum of two numbers before it. For example, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, etc. and pattern continue. Now another question is any relation between Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio? Yes, it is. The dome of Taj Mahal is built between 1632 to 1653 by Shah Jahan. Involved complex integral calculus to determine the exact shape of dome. Architect could use simple geometry if building were made of ideal square and triangle and such. However, in case of the Taj Mahal involved the curve and strange angles, that then where the calculus come in. First one is the differential calculus. It helps architect to figure out how to maximize and minimize the ratio of building. For example, the window size in building, an architect is finding the how to maximize by using derivative in order to create the most window space possible based on proportion. And the integral calculus, it helps architect to find out how much heat a building loses based on temperature variation throughout the day. Taj is highly durable in even the most extreme weather. Taj Mahal is made in such a way it is protecting from earthquake. For instance, the mathematical calculation for minar, weight, angle and size take into account the possibility of earthquake. Its geometry is such that the fall of any part of building would not affect their neighboring building. The minar also lean slightly outward rather than stand straight. This was done as safety measure so that they would fall away from tomb rather than crash into central structure.